One thing we quickly learned out here on the farm when we're staying out here is we consume a lot of water. Not only are we drinking it, but we're also using it to cook and bathe and for our toilet. So we made a homemade Berkey water filtration system, and it took less than 10 minutes to make and cost under $200. So we got the 2 pots from Walmart. They're stainless steel. We got our stainless steel spigot from Amazon. Everything that you need will be linked below in the description, and then just a couple stainless steel screws from Tractor Supply to keep the pot level. So if you come inside and take a look real quick, this is what our test water looked like before we filtered it, and this is what it looked like afterwards. The ppm is substantially lower, and it tastes absolutely amazing, and it's ice cold yet from coming out of the ground. If you take a look inside, these are the 2 Berkey replacement water filters, and it gravity feeds down into the catch pot below. So bada boom, that's it. Right after this, I'm going to show you the step-by-step how I made it. It's a short description. But yeah, we hope you like this video and you get as much enjoyment out of this filtration system as we do. The first thing I did is took some 6/32 by 3/4 screws, and I drilled the hole for them with an 1/8" drill bit, and I used the nuts or whatever for the handle as my alignment, and I did 3 of them, and the purpose behind that is so the pot doesn't fall in. Next step was drilling the hole for the spigot. We started out with an 1/8" pilot hole and stepped that up to a 13/16, and then we used our step bit until the hole was just big enough to put it through and tightened it in the back. Next, we marked off the holes for the filter itself and started drilling from the bottom with an 1/8" drill bit, worked up a couple steps, and then used our step bit until the hole was just big enough for the filter threads to go through.